When it comes to operational analytics, I see there as being two key metrics. One is about performance, and the other one is the utilization, especially when it comes to devices. And Abhi, I want to involve you at this point in time because you're the expert on this. Can you give me your take on what constitutes operational analytics and why are they so important for whether it's an IT manager or a center of excellence manager looking at the overall health of the RPA program?
Absolutely. So this is absolutely mission critical for someone who's, let's say, a center of excellence admin or IT manager, because using these operational analytics, I can understand, as you said, number one, are my bots processes running efficiently? And number two, am I optimizing all the resources that I have so that I can run as many processes that I can? And in the end, as an IT admin, I have certain business SLA, service level agreements with my business. And am I able to meet those promises, the SLAs, and deliver value to the customer? So that's really important for an IT or a CEO admin to get visibility into the operational health of the system so that they not only understand what's going on, and if there are any issues, they can take action on the issues and fix them right away. And that's where operational analytics really comes in. And what I can do next is share a quick demo of the operational insight capabilities of Bot Insight. What Bot Insight does is, from Essence, you'll see that in all the functionality that we'll cover today, Bot Insights provides a set of default dashboards out of the box without any configuration and manual work to be done, as well as also provides the ability to customize them depending on your specific requirements.
That's great, Bobby. Can I just ask one question before we see the dashboard? So where does someone get, how do you get to Bot Insights? Like, where are we right now? It would be great to understand how to access the Bot Insight function.
Great question, Sabah. So Bot Insight is now natively integrated in any A2019 control room that you have. So if you have Automation Anywhere installed in your system, you have Bot Insight already available. And what's great is that the Operational Insights section is already collecting data of your bot executions, your utilization. All those metrics are already being captured for you without you having to do anything. So it's a native application. It's part of your Automation Anywhere platform. It's there for you to get started right away. So this is our control room interface. And if you're a CEO admin or an IT admin, you can access Bot Insights by clicking on the Bot Insight link. And once you click on that, you come into our Bot Insights sections, which is broken up by operations and business dashboard sections. Within operations dashboards, what's really cool is that we provide a set of out-of-the-box dashboards, bots dashboard, audit dashboard, devices dashboard, that you can kind of just view out of the box. Plus, you can also customize them to show the data and the visualization that you want. So let's go ahead and start with the bots dashboard. The bots dashboard shows you all the visualizations that's important for you to understand the bot execution history. So in this case, once I open the bots dashboard, you can see right away, I can see the total number of bot runs, the total number of completed bot runs, the number of bot executions in progress, as well as failed. So right there, I have a bird's eye view of how healthy my automation program is. Now, once I land into the dashboard, I can certainly do a lot more interactions for them. For example, I can look at the weekly status by week, how many times the bot executions ran successfully versus failed. And if there are any failures, what were the failure reasons that caused those issues? So very quickly, I can understand what's going on, what are the issues, and try to fix them. As I said before, they are fully customizable. I can choose to filter this dashboard based on any attributes with a username, device name, and automation name, so that I can kind of, in a way, create a customized dashboard that fits my purpose, fits the kind of the insights I'm looking for, and delivers the insights that are appropriate for my organization. That is all bots dashboards. Now let's look at the audit dashboard. Now this shows you a different kind of visualization where it shows me all the events that have happened in my control room. So over here, for example, the first donut chart shows me all the events that have taken place, broken up by activity type. So I can see how many check-ins, how many checkouts were performed. So in that way, it gives me a good view of what is the activity taking place in my control room. So the next visualization is now I can start seeing a breakup by username as well. So where I can see which users are active in the system and what kind of operations have been taken. So for example, I know that in this case, I'm looking at the data for John, and John has performed certain actions around 1,000 operations on the control room within this time period. So within a few set of clicks, I am able to know what are the events that have taken place and which users are active on the system. So this enables me to have a good understanding of all the various activities, events taking place in my system. The next kind of operational dashboard that we provide out of the box is what we call as a device dashboard. A device dashboard provides you insight into the utilization of your resources available for the automation program. So out here, the moment I log in, I can see the number of devices that I have in my system, the online devices, number of offline devices, and how many schedules I have scheduled on the devices.
Abhi, can I just stop you there for a moment of understanding the importance of, what is the relationship between, the overall, there's bot performance, and from an operational perspective, why is the device dashboard so important for, especially for maybe the IT managers or COE manager?
So a devices dashboard is very important for an IT manager to understand and ensure that he's optimizing all the resources that he has, right? So where we have bots and processes running on various devices, with the devices dashboard now, you can see which processes are running on which devices. You can look at the status of the devices and then also look at utilization to make sure that you are using all the resources in an optimal manner. So for here, for example, you're looking at online devices, offline devices, schedules, and this heat map over here is very interesting, and it's probably one of the most common visualization accessed by our customers, where they can now look at, for each day, what is the utilization of their devices. So now they can understand that on this day, my devices was busy for, let's say, 20% of the time. So that means I have 80% available bandwidth for me to run more processes. So in that way, it ensures that I am able to understand what's going on and what is the utilization in my devices, as well as I can start thinking about how can I utilize them better. So now let me show you more features of this dashboard. So over here, where you're seeing all the various devices on the x-axis, and you can see the utilization. On the right-hand side, where there's the table, I can also look at my device activity history. So I can look at all the various devices that I have in my system, what's going on, which processes have run on them, what is the various start and end time, and what are the status of all the processes. So very quick visibility into what's going on in my various devices, and if there are any errors, I can also start seeing them as well, which is my next visualization. Now it can also show you what are the top errors that have happened in your automation program. So very quickly, I can see which areas I need to take action on. So for example, I can see there were some issues with the bot launcher activities. So as an IT admin, I can immediately jump in and take some action to fix those issues. So very important dashboard for you to look at what's going on. I can also start filtering this dashboard as I showed you before. So for example, I'm only interested in the device name called BR1. So that is the one that I want to really focus on and understanding what's happening with the BR1 device. So I create a filter and click on apply. What that's going to do is change the entire dashboard to show you data only for BR1. So as you can see, the utilization for BR1 is 16% on 9th of September as well, and kind of going down as you go. So I kind of very easily understand what's going on. I can also change my time filter. So instead of looking at all the data, I can look at data for this month. So it's showing me all the utilization metrics for this month as well as last week. So I can kind of really hone in and focus on the area I want to understand, in a way understand what's happening with my utilization and fix any issues, see the status, and finally look at any errors. If there are any errors happening, I can go ahead and fix it. So that was a quick kind of preview of the three kinds of dashboards we have out of the box: the bots dashboard, audit dashboard, and the devices dashboard. And if you kind of in a way combine all the three of them, they provide visibility into your bot execution status to make you understand, to help you understand, are your automations running smoothly, effectively, are there any errors, and what kind of errors are you seeing. And then the other one is utilization, to make sure you understand how effectively are you utilizing your resources, and if there's any room for optimization. So combining all these three dashboards gives an IT admin or a COE admin complete visibility into the operational metrics, so that they can not only look at what's going on, also take some preventative action to fix if they see any issues. So that's all Sabha about operational metrics. As I said, it provides COE admin a lot of visibility into their operational health and metrics of the organization.
Thank you so much, Abhi. Yeah, exactly. Just to recap everything you showed us and what you just talked about, at a high level, those out-of-the-box operational dashboards, the visibility into the metrics, bot execution, and the device utilization, and then the ability to customize the dashboards, what you showed us going through both of those dashboards, all three of those dashboards. And I think one thing that you said that's very key is all of this is really designed to optimize. By having those insights, you can see, like the example was perfect. If you're only using 20%